How's it going, everyone? I got some additional updates. So I've been making some more React-based views. This is a recreation of the original view for the framework where I had the profile details page. I can now go into the edit profile page and all this stuff works. So on the left here is the actual controller. So if I were to do a dd test on the PHP side, that shows up. And if I go into the edit view and type in, just do like that, it updates just like that. So what I like to show is that I am building components for all the form inputs. So I have something similar for my PHP side of the house in this form class. So, excuse me. So I have like the regular input. So this looks very familiar from what I had before, what I borrowed from the Ruah framework from Freescales. Give him credit for a lot of the stuff. I have a rich text editor, so I can just bold that up, submit, that works. So a lot of things from the original framework still work, even on the React side. So if I like remove my first name, submit, first name is required. The original file upload thing works correctly. So this is really a really big game changer for my framework and being able to demonstrate my skills to future employers and this era of uncertainty for people in my field. Well, actually, not the software development field, but the government contracting services field. So if I can get a complete suite of features, move a lot of the things here that are in the components to its own node package manager package, I can actually set myself apart. So right now I have a new starter project. So if I go back, this is the starter framework for starting a traditional PHP site. So this is already on Composer. This will be on Composer. Plus, I want to tie in a node npm package to download all this stuff. So all this stuff and resources will be a little more cleaned up. A lot of these views will be migrated to over here. So what's kind of cool is so I don't have an admin dashboard thing yet. I have to add some things like widget support and things like that. But this is in the PHP world. So I can't really show you, but I can go to here. So update password view, update password for user. This is a dual world, so I can support both React and PHP views in the same application, which is really cool. I'm sure Laravel can do the same thing. I mean, still use blade templates for your layout and some other stuff, and you just insert the JavaScript stuff in that template. But this is really cool, and I'm looking forward to what I am able to do with this and to make it a feature-rich project where I can, do things like PHP console, make, view, home.test, and then React. That will be one of the next steps. So I can differentiate between a PHP view and a React view. And also plan to make a command line where you can take just a regular starter app and begin to do React-based stuff out there. You just run a command. It will update this file. It's going to be able to use the render.js function. You just got to do a few things in your already existing views and or controllers, and you can start doing React-based stuff if you need to. Especially useful if you're trying to do any kind of asynchronous type of work, like getting API data from, like, let's say Open Weather Map or some other type of service. And I can probably begin to do a lot of the fetching and things like that even on the back end. I haven't figured that out yet. But yeah, there's a lot of things that I'm looking forward to working on, and that's it. Stay tuned if you're a developer or recruiter, and I'm looking forward to showing more features in this channel, which I'm using to basically vlog my journey for building out this framework. So that is it for this video. We will see you next time.